So, what if the Czechs and Poles decided to fight for their freedom together in the Great War? Well, this isn't that simple. While the Czechoslovak Legion fought on the side of the Entente, the Polish Legion fought on the side of the Central Powers. The best solution would be for all Czechs to decide to fight for Francis Joseph I, and together with the Poles to create an inter-Slavic legion. This, however, is very unrealistic. The Czechoslovak Legion fought against their mother country of Austria-Hungary, as the Czechoslovak Legion wished for them to be defeated, subsequently giving the independence of the Czechs and Slovaks. However, if we abandon all of realism, had the Russian part of Poland been liberated by the Austro-Hungarian army led by this inter-Slavic legion, Francis Joseph I could create a kingdom of Poland instead of Wilhelm II. Charles I would become the next emperor in late 1916, so he would join Galicia, Slovakia and the Czech lands to the new kingdom in order to win the Slavic hearts. After the defeat of the Central Powers, the Entente would allow for this kingdom to become an independent state, with its capital likely being in Krakow. As for the Bolsheviks, without the Czechoslovak Legion, they would conquer Siberia much faster, but they would never approach Warsaw. This country could later become known as Zapadoslavia, to which I already made a video about over a year ago.